The role of data scientists has become crucial in uncovering insights from the vast amounts of data generated today, leading to informed decision making, optimized operations, and personalized customer experiences. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The demand for data scientists has indeed reached unprecedented heights, driven by the growing importance of data driven decision making across various industries. A report says learners achieving a 96% career transition rate and a median salary increase of 150%. The rapid expansion and diversification of data science into various industries underscore its critical role in harnessing the power of data to foster innovation, efficiency, and informed decision making. As we move further into 2024, the influence of data science is only expected to deepen, reflecting its integral position in modern business strategies across diverse sectors. The digital transformation across sectors has led to an explosion in data generation. Businesses are collecting vast amounts of data from various sources, including online transactions, social media sensors, in IoT devices, and more. Analyzing these data requires skilled professionals. The wider industry adoption are in healthcare. Data science is revolutionizing healthcare by improving diagnostic accuracy, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatment plans through genomics and real-time patient data analytics. In finance, it's used for risk assessment, algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and customer management by analyzing transaction patterns and customer data. E-commerce. E-commerce giants rely on data science for customer segmentation, inventory management, recommendation systems, and optimizing logistics. Entertainment. Streaming services use data science to personalize viewer recommendations, analyze viewer preferences, and manage content production based on trained analysis. Data driven decision making provides a significant competitive advantage. Organizations that effectively use their data can optimize operations, reduce costs, enhance customer satisfaction, and ultimately increase profitability. There is an increasing demand for personalized customer experiences. Data scientists help companies understand customer behaviors and preferences, enabling more targeted marketing and product development. Going forward, the soaring demand for data scientists reflects their pivotal role in modern businesses. As industries continue to embrace digital transformation, the value placed on data analysis skills will only grow. For professionals, this means abundant opportunities for career growth and development. For companies, it underscores the importance of investing in data capabilities and securing talent that can help them navigate a data driven future. Let's look into today's headline. Adobe Firefly brings magic to Mattel's packaging with generative AI. With simple text prompts, Mattel designers are using Adobe Firefly to instantly generate high-quality imagery and color palette ideas. It provides a flexible and imaginative way for designers to present packaging concepts and environments for Barbie to be placed. Barbie is a fashion doll manufactured by American toy and entertainment company Mattel. Being able to leverage generative AI to create concepts and environments for Barbie delivers both strategic and efficiency gains to Mattel. Government reopens application window for PLI scheme to boost domestic manufacturing. The Indian government has reopened the application period for the Production Linked Incentive Scheme (PLI) for white goods, which focuses on air conditioners and LED lights. Interested entities can apply between July 15th and October 12th. The government decided to reopen applications as many companies are interested in investing more in this scheme. Existing companies that want to invest more or switch to different product categories are also eligible. Samsung could expand Galaxy AI-powered live translate feature to WhatsApp. Samsung is likely to expand its Galaxy AI-powered live translate feature to WhatsApp. The South Korean electronics maker said that this feature will support third-party applications soon. Their feature is already available for calls and messages via Samsung's built-in messaging app. And now, the support apps could include Meta's instant messaging and calling platform WhatsApp. Samsung's suite of artificial intelligence features was launched in January. WhatsApp launches context card feature to make WhatsApp groups safer. WhatsApp is rolling out a new feature called Context Card, aimed at enhancing user safety in group chats. This update will provide users with more information about groups they are added to, especially by unknown contacts. The Context Card builds on WhatsApp's existing safety and privacy features. Users can already control who can add them to groups through privacy settings. 1.4 GB NSA data exposed online. After reporting a massive X database leaks, researchers have discovered another sensitive data leak on a well-known data breach forum containing 1.4 GB of classified National Security Agency NSA data. The operations of NSA, part of the US Department of Defense, are highly classified and utilize advanced technology and methods. Threat actors claim that the data was allegedly obtained from Acuity Inc. Data Breach, a company that works closely with the United States government and its allies. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.